Now, what I want to do is really get into the data so you can see that. So I'm going to go and just start drilling in because I really want you to see the power of this tool. So I'm going to click on this bar. And what you see then is the spread of data across all of the topics within this, all of the items within this topic. Then you see item 34, item 36, and so on. Let's go ahead and look at the first item, which is item 1. Clicking on item 1 then, and I drill down, I can actually see that item. And again, you can see these results immediately. And what I'm looking at here then is, first of all, the correct answer is designated here in green, and I can see 84% of my students answered it correctly. I can also see, please keep in mind that this is a training set of data, so your spread of data will probably look a little bit different than this. You can also see that I had a pretty strong common draw to answer choice A. 16% of my students answered answer choice A. Watch what happened. I just hovered on this, clicked on it, and look what happened. I see my list of students who answered in that incorrect fashion. Notice there are a couple duplicate names, and that's because, remember, we're doing a comparison, so there's 2 sets of data here. So if the name appears twice, then that student answered in that same way both times. But I want to show you that not only can I see the list of students that answered in this way, and I'm saying, okay, I see what's incorrect here, obviously, is the slope, right, the 1/3. When I see that and I'm looking at this, I'm like, all right, well, how did my student do on other aspects of this test as well within this particular area? I can actually click on the student name right here. There's other places to get to this, and there's a bar across the top that I'll briefly show you. But if I click on the student name, now I'm driving deeply into how the student did and their diagnostic data. I see that this particular student was 44% overall correct. I can see the timing, that the timing is captured for each of the students as well as for the groups of students. And the timing bars, the height of the bar is the time spent per item, and it's color-coded by correct, incorrect, or omitted. And then it gives you your diagnostic for the student, and you can see here's the categories. Your results indicate you need review in the following topics, so you can actually tell which topics students were successful in and which topics students have as an area of growth. And then the actual student answers are color-coded as well.